Now come to the next topic, that is power. Power is the rate of doing work. Okay, rate of doing work is known as power. Okay, time rate of doing work. Okay, and mathematically we can write power P is equals to work upon time. Okay, the work which is to be done and the time taken to complete the work. Okay, so these two quantities defines the power of a person, of a body. Okay, and the SI unit of power is joule per second. Okay, joule per second, and this joule per second is known as watt. Okay, joule per second is known as watt. Okay, so this is the SI unit of power. Watt is the SI unit of power. There is another unit of power, that is horsepower. Okay, horsepower is the other unit of power, and 1 horsepower HP. Okay, 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Okay, so watt and horsepower both are the units of power. Okay, one thing is to be noted, that power is dependent on time. Okay, consider there are two persons, person A and person B. Okay, and both execute a 100-meter race. Okay, 100-meter race. Person A takes 10 seconds to complete the race, and person B takes 9 seconds to complete the same race. Okay, so this 100-meter race is the work, okay, which is same for both the persons. Okay, this work to execute a 100-meter race is the work, and this work is same for both the person. But person A takes 10 seconds to complete the work, and person B takes 9 seconds to complete the same work. Then tell me, who is more powerful? Who take less time, because power is inversely proportional to time when work is same. Okay, so here work is same for both the person, so then the one who is taking less time will be more powerful. Okay, so the person B is taking 9 seconds only to complete the race. It means the person B is more powerful than A. It is clear to all? So power is dependent on time. Okay, note it down. Power is time dependent.